Hello, I'm in a 2011 IS 250 Lexus, and today I'm going to show you how to set your oil life. So say you just got an oil change and you want to reset it for just so you have notifications of when you're due again. First, you want to make sure the vehicle's on, which this vehicle is already on. And then we're going to go to Setup, Vehicle, Maintenance, Engine Oil. And then in here, you can set dates and times if you choose and edit. It's not, I always go off the mileage typically. So here, this top one shows you kind of the max oil life. So say you want to change it every 3,000 miles, you would just change this number to 3,000 and then hit OK. And then this remaining, as you drive, this number is going to go down. And unfortunately I did it accidentally before starting this video, but to reset this, you just press and hold on the number and then it'll reset to 100%. So right now it's showing 100% oil life, but as you drive, this number will go down and down, and then when you want to reset it again, you just touch this and it'll reset. But that's it. I'll put this back to 5,000. Everything auto saves, so you don't have to hit anything else other than that at this point. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.